Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about arugula, and I have a list of specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with arugula. So if you're looking for some different recipe ideas, something just a little different to do that's new to you, hopefully this will help you out. This list is long, so I broke it up into two parts. This is part one. I'll have a link to part two video below. Combine arugula with apples, cheddar cheese, mustard, and walnuts. Or arugula with apples, lemon juice, maple syrup, and olive oil. How about arugula with balsamic vinegar and Parmesan cheese? Combine arugula with balsamic vinegar, Parmesan cheese, red onions, and tomatoes in a risotto. Combine arugula with beets, feta cheese, and garlic. Arugula with cheese of your choice, and fruit and nuts. Arugula with Parmesan cheese or some other cheese if you prefer, garlic, olive oil, pasta, and pine nuts. How about arugula with chickpeas, red onions, and spinach? Or arugula with cucumbers, feta cheese, quinoa, red onions, tahini, and tomatoes? Or how about arugula with fennel and figs? That's something a little bit different for you. Stay tuned for part two. Hopefully this will help you out. Bye for now.